Hey, Dad.
Oh, Yana, can you get me those chocolates that makes me feel sleepy?
Did you mean edibles?
And one for your mother too, but we have to be careful with the pharmaceuticals because she's allergic to penicillin.
Okay.
What's the name of that guy, he has a BT logo?
What?
He has the BT logo.
Did you mean vitiligo?
So can you get me that?
No problem.
Okay.
Okay, Dad. Love you. Talk to you soon. Dad?